Alright, good morning everybody. That is my refrigerator door. We're going to take a quick adventure into my fridge and then do an activity related to it. Alright, let's see what's outside the fridge first. Some bread, really messy stuff, and some eggs. So if you notice there's sawdust all over them and they're a little dirty, those are because they're fresh. They come right from the chicken coop. Alright, what do we have here? A mess. So I'm mostly vegetarian. I don't really eat a lot of dairy or meat, except I really love cheese. You'll see that soon. Okay, so my top shelf, I've got a whole bunch of almond milk, some juice, some looks like ginger ale back there, some Powerade. You guys can use your eagle eyes and scout out some things that I don't even see, I bet. But cream cheese, and there's some coconut milk. Lots of hummus. I love hummus. There's chocolate hummus in there. See that in the way back? Then a chocolate bar. We've got some feta cheese and tortellini. Some leftovers. There's beets and carrots in there. More Powerade. And that's some frozen pasta, or some pasta that you keep in the fridge. Oop. So that just means I've had the fridge open a long time. And then on the door, we've got all of our condiments. So butter, margarine, all the good stuff you put on your sandwiches and that kind of thing. The other door, we've just got more Powerade and stuff like that. Oh wait, can't forget the drawers. Cheese, what a surprise. There's some sandwich meats in here too. Turkey breasts. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, we've got carrots. My dog likes these too, so those are kind of a treat for her. And then more cheese. Last drawer. This is where we keep the veggies. We've got celery and a zucchini that's getting a little squishy and weird. More carrots, some broccoli back there, and a couple little bitty potatoes left. Let's check out the freezer. We'll close this so it doesn't make that obnoxious noise anymore. Alright, our freezer drawer is overflowing with frozen veggies. We've got veggie burgers. What's that? Veggie tater tots, super good. These are meatless chicken nuggets, and they're really delicious. You guys might think they're weird, but I love them. Then we've got tropical berry fruit, and more fruit, more frozen stuff down there, more frozen stuff up here. Oh, more veggie burgers and veggies. Oh, I hear my dog Clover. Alright everybody, so that's everything that I've got in my fridge. I'm going to give you an activity to do that's related to that. So keep in mind everything that you saw, and I'll check back soon.